Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam. India, Iran, and Uzbekistan on Tuesday held a talk on joint use of Chabahar port while underlining its important role in enhancing regional connectivity. The Ministry of External Affairs said that the participants discussed further development of a transportation corridor around the port. It was the second such virtual meeting among the three countries on further development of this strategically important Iranian port. The participants underlined the important role played by the Chabahar port during the Syrian crisis as regional connectivity. They also took note of increase of transit traffic between Central Asia and South Asia through the Sahibista terminal, Chabahar port, and discussed further development of transportation corridor. Located in the Sistan Balochistan province on the energy-rich Iranian south coast, the port is being developed by the Indian and Iran to boost the trade ties. Upon the invitation of the Iranian side, the Indian side agreed to send a high-level delegation to Chabahar next year. It was decided to hold the third section of a trilateral working group meeting in India as a mutual convenient date. It said the Indian side made a present on the Chabahar port and informed that the Indian company like Indian Port Global Limited through a wholly owned subsidiary Indian Port Global Chabahar Free Zone took over the operation of the port in December 2018. Since then it has handled 160 vessels, 14,420 TEU and 3.2 million tons of bulk and general cargo. Sahid Vista Terminal Chabahar Port has handled shipment and transshipment from various including Russia, Brazil, Thailand, Germany, Ukraine, Oman, Romania, Bangladesh, Australia, Kuwait, Uzbekistan, and UAE, it said. The meeting was jointly chaired by the Sanjeev Ranjan, Secretary of the Ministry of Port and Shipping and Waterways, Ali Akbar Sharif, Secretary Deputy Minister, Managing Director of the Iranian Ports and Maritime Organization, Secretary of Uzbekistan Ministry of Transportation. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.